Wow, what is that? Introduce. This is red parrotfish. The red parrot is a cross between the Midas cichlid fish and the redhead cichlid fish. Therefore, it looks unique appearance. Food: he can eat shrimp, pellets, earthworms, frozen worms. Feeding is usually twice a day in the morning and at night. Interested to keep it? Wow, what is that? Let me introduce to you. This is the caveat fish, or Lempam barbonomus schwanenfeldi. This fish is a type of freshwater fish belonging to the Cyprinidae tribe, relatives of carp. The caveat fish is widespread in mainland Southeast Asia and western Indonesia. Wow, what is that? Betta is a freshwater fish with a raised knife-like back, while the belly looks flat and wide. Another feature that makes this fish unique is the caudal fin that connects with the anal fin. The jaws of Betta fish also grow elongated as they age. The jaws can even pass behind the eyes in an adult fish because of this unique shape. Betta is often used as an ornamental fish and kept in an aquarium. Wow, what is that? Introduce. This is peacock bass fish. He comes from the rivers on the American continent. Peacock bass is a predatory fish suitable for beginners. This fish is easy to find by ornamental fish sellers. Why is it suitable for beginners? This fish is not too fussy about water quality in Indonesia. This fish is also safe and will not bite human hands. Wow, what is that? Introduce. This is the Lauan fish. It is a type of freshwater ornamental fish that has unique characteristics in its body parts, namely the shape of its head or forehead, which is bulging, and various patterns of scales. The Lauan fish is more commonly known because of the unique genome on its head. Cool, right? Wow, what is that? Introducing. This is a green terror fish. At first glance, this predatory fish looks like a flower hern naturally, because they both come from the cichlid family. If you want to combine it with other fish, make sure they are also predatory, aggressive, and the same size. These are predatory fish that you can raise at home. Want to try to keep this fish? Thank you. Goodbye.